I don't know whether this vlog will qualify to be a vlog on its own, but then welcome to a new vlog. Yesterday my baby sister on YouTube reached out that she will be coming for a funeral here. Yeah, you know, I will introduce her to you. You might not know her, so I'll introduce her to you. She said that she will be coming for a funeral here, and then a while ago she reached out that she's in town, so I'm going to meet her. By the way, I have my chief of staff behind me because they are coming for a funeral. I cannot go and do betom, though I live in Koforidua. I cannot do betom. I cannot wear any ordinary dress. That's why I'm in black. But look at mommy. Mommy, it is saying her dresses. I love mommy. And look at her hair. It's coming. I will not give up that because you are all an encouragement. Mommy, come. You are all an inspiration. You will not give up. You will press on. Vlog you. Vlog me, make I vlog. Finally, I have met winging it with AC for the second time this year. I will show you her hair. She is an inspiration for me. Yes, on this I want to lock my hair, and AC is the inspiration. I'll show you AC's hair. Anyway, that's my college, that's my school. Guys, sake of copyright, I couldn't capture a lot, and I don't like to be talking, making voiceovers in my vlogs. That's why I could not capture much of the scenes. And your girl, yeah, Mama said she loved and wanted almost everything that she saw that evening. Hi, how do you do? Since Friday, on Friday I watched a video from Ogom series, and she sang this song. It has been on my mind, in my heart since then. I am believing God for something, and I have begun praising him, knowing that he will do it. So with faith, I am thanking him already. So join me, sing this song. See what the Lord has done. See what the Lord has done. What we waited for has come to pass. See what the Lord has done. Yes, I know he will do it because that is his name. The verse says, Maulawe. God will do it. And because he is Maupemo, he is the one that makes the way. He is God's way. When he is done it, he would be called Maupemo, God's way. So I believe that he is doing everything in his own way, and it will be evident in our eyes. What I waited for has come to pass. See what the Lord has done. I'm going to work, but I want to run an errand from town. I have spotted one seamstress to be here. In fact, I've not seen her works, but nature has. So she recommended her. I'm going to see her and test her for the first time before I go to work. Today is Monday and it's a market day, so if I see anything fascinating, why not? I'll pull out my camera and share with you. Community, a part of it is not planned, so there are so many Apian ways here where you'll be compound but they are walling. So I think from Monday or so, or from January, I will not be able to. We cannot access these routes again. Not until this morning, I personally was not feeling the Christmas vibe in the air, but about some few hours ago, the weather is dried. Yeah, the air we are breathing is now dried. We are feeling the Christmas vibe. And then even the television stations after the World Cup yesterday started with the Christmas carols or the jingles. Yeah, yesterday even Nesha said that she's not feeling it on the televisions, and I told her that it's been crowded by the World Cup. When I met you on Saturday, I remember that I am owing you some of these. Yeah, this one is for Mami Chewa. It's borrowed. I need to start sewing again. So I'll be making yours soon. So guys, as I was saying, we are now feeling the Christmas vibe in the air. Nothing for me and my family. We are not going to do anything extraordinary. We are going to be eating the same food that we eat, but then we are happy that the year has come to an end and we are all alive to see that. That is why we are so happy about Christmas, and that also means that very soon our bundle of blessing is going to be with us. I can't wait to see the baby in Nature's womb. I can't wait to see the baby, and I don't know how it will go between me and Mami Chewa. I once told Nature that this one in your womb, I don't know her. Me then we no go vibe as I vibe with Mami Chewa. I don't know if say Ipenam. As she Nature, she told Rama and even told her husband. So I assured her that yes, I will love her, but guys, do you think that feeling will change? Yeah, advise me because I feel like Mami Sewa is, yeah, she's there, she's here, she's there. So please educate me on what to do when the new baby comes, okay? It's nice to be nice. Yeah, one of my neighbors gifted me this. Yeah, it's original. Is it Nike or Nike? Depending on which school you attended. If you attended Montessori, you say Nike. If it's the Buga type, you go say Nike. Yeah, so Nike. And then this is what I am doing. I told you that. Okay, in one of my vlogs, I said I am making a gift bag for a friend's engagement, and I'm also to make 50 pieces of key holders for her. And this is the color. What's the name of this wicgram? It's wine blue. It's not Korean. I forgot the name of the color. If I remember, I'll look for it and write it on the screen. It's something blue. So I'm making 50 pieces. The colors are this and hot pink. Yeah, there are two colors, this color and hot pink. So I want to do one soul colors, then the other ones I blend. What's your name? How old are you? 2. Top kids. How are you? What is your name? How old are you? How old are you?
2.
Give me 5. 10.